Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana holders, watch this video. A big move is about to happen. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook. And y'all read the title, man. First things first, you already know I want to give a special shout out to the members and students. We had an excellent week last week. We went 3-1, gives us a 75% win rate. Then we caught a nice move to start off the week on Monday, 103 pip move, nice 1 to 4, another 1 to 3 or short ratio. Let me show you those really quick. You can see these right here. Friday going into Monday, nice 1 to 3. Then we caught a nice 1 to 4, cancel out the loss prior. So basically this means 1 to 4, 1 to 3. If I was to risk $100 on this trade, I would have made 4 times that amount. Anything I risked on this trade, I would have made 3 times that amount. So I would have risked $100 here, would have made $300. If I would have risked $1,000 here, I would have made $3,000 off this one trade alone. Got a few more setups we're going to be looking at for today as well. So again, we don't just do weekly crypto analysis and altcoin analysis, but we also day trade over here. We live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. All right, y'all. So I'll show you how to make passive income as well as active income, meaning I'll show you how to make money on the front end as well as money on the back end. Now, the Bitcoin analysis, I'm gonna start doing Ethereum and Sol in the videos as well. Usually, y'all know it's just usually a Bitcoin analysis, and y'all know we've been doing Bitcoin analysis literally since April. So we've been in since 60 and 55K. So we're super deep in profit. Now, in this video, I'm gonna be talking about my projections for the week and going into the month, as well as specific price points I recommend to pay attention to, whether that's where you're gonna take profits at or DCA in or DCA out at. Now, of course, it's not financial advice. Always do your own research, but again, you check out my previous videos with my track record, pretty accurate when it comes to these charts and these levels. Now, we're going to start off with Bitcoin. We just had a huge higher high get made, which means that we're still extremely bullish. But after a higher high is made, what has to come next? A higher low, which means what? A lot of people are about to FOMO in, a lot of people are about to FOMO out, which might cause a retracement, okay? So we finally hit that 100K mark, which is beautiful. Now we're going to need to hold 100K as support. We cannot go any further unless we hold 100K as support. So we can hold 100K as support. We can see 120, 140 get hit easily. But as we see right here, it's currently trying to treat this as a resistance. So if it continues to reject this level, we can see a retracement head back down to 88,000 on the short side. But on the extreme, we can also see retracement go as low as 78K or even down to 72K, right? That's the next major support level, right? We see how price was treated as low as resistance, then blew through it. So never retested this level. Now I did hold this level as support. So again, that's just a retest, but if reversal does come into play, do not be too shocked or surprised if again it comes down to 70K, 72K, or even on the extreme at the bottom of this liquidity at 54K. All right, y'all, because again, it's going to want to scare people, it's going to want to juke people out, and of course also people are going to buy just now. Like I said, I personally know people that know people, and also personally know people that have entered as soon as Bitcoin hit 80K, and I was like, no, they're about to get you. But you never want to sell unless you just lost 50% of your investment. That's different. But if you buy, you don't typically want to sell unless you're in profit. You get what I'm saying? Especially until you know who gets into office, because he's going to be trying to, do something about the taxes and stuff like that. But that's a whole nother video, a whole nother topic. So that's what I see going on with Bitcoin. Okay, so make sure to pay attention to those price points. Now, Ethereum is super interesting as well because it's approaching the all-time highs. Now, again, like I said, big moves are about to happen. We're at this major resistance level currently at 3790. Right, we hit 4,000, but we rejected that level just like last time we hit 4,000, and we rejected that level. So this level is being treated as resistance. So before we can go anywhere, price is going to need to hold 38K as support. Now we can hold 30K as support. We can see 41.45 get hit easily. And then after 41.45, we can see 46.50 get hit. And then if we can hold that level as support, we can see not only a higher high, but a new all-time high gets hit. Now, that's what we can see happening going up. Now, if it rejects this level, treats as resistance again, we can see retrace was going down to 3370 and possibly down to 30,030. So it pays us those price points. Now, we really want price to hold this level as support, because realistically, if it rejects this level, we can see a reversal heading down to the extreme of 2270, I mean. Right, so keep those prices in mind. But there's a lot of potential here, especially because again we're approaching these all-time highs. We have the bullish momentum, so it's going to be interesting to see how this month ends, how 2025 January is going to be looking and starting for us. Now that brings us into last but not least Solana. Okay, now if y'all watched me back when I was talking about Bitcoin in April, most crypto coins follow Bitcoin, right? So what I mean by that is if Bitcoin's going up 9 times out of 10, all coins, other coins are going up as well. So Solana was no excuse that we go down to April, which was down here when it was at 80 bucks, 75 bucks. Imagine how much you'd be up right now from where it's at currently. You'd be making some serious bread right now, right? But like I said, it's late, but it's not too late. Now it did hit 260, which I believe was the all-time highs, right? And we see prices treat that level as resistance still, but the previous resistance level, which was right here at around 210, we can see that price was treated low as resistance, and it consolidated for a few months, but then it just broke that level last month, November, and now it's currently trying to hold this low as support this month. So if we could hold 215 as support, we could see 260 get hit easily, but we're going to need to hold 260 as support for the higher highs to get hit. But we can see 300, 400 get hit easily next year. We can see 300. I don't know how this one's going to go, but if it continues the higher high and does it even a candlestick similar to the candlestick that it did last month, right, we can see literally again 300 get hit easily, 340, 400 get hit easily. Now if it does a higher high move, this one's kind of extreme, so let's do this one. Like if it does a move similar to this one right here from this retest point, again we can see 400 get hit easily. But even if we count it from right here to this point right here, again we can see 300 get hit easily, right? So now we definitely need to pay attention to 120, 125, because if it breaks that support level, it holds that resistance, we can't see a possible reversal come into play. Now if that happens, we'll talk about that if that happens. All right, y'all, so y'all enjoy this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free Signal, free Telegram. Let me know what other coins you want to see me do analysis on. Just drop them in the comments and I got y'all. Again, the crypto Telegram is out. All you got to do to get access to that is 3 things. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Send me a screenshot of you doing all 3. I'll send you a link to the crypto Telegram, y'all. And yeah, make sure to check out my other analysis as well as the playlist. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my signaling services, or my mentorship programs, make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signaling, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long. But you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.